In today's digital world, having a stunning website is a must. But building one? That's where things can get tricky, unless you have CloneBuddy AI. CloneBuddy AI is your ultimate AI-powered website creation tool that lets you clone, customize, and manage websites without coding. Forget complicated coding. With CloneBuddy AI, you can replicate any website in minutes and customize it your way. Here's why CloneBuddy AI is a game changer. Website cloning made simple. Save hours by duplicating sites effortlessly. AI-powered customization. Edit designs and layouts with no technical skills needed. SEO optimization. Boost your Google rankings with AI-driven SEO tools. E-commerce integration. Set up stunning online stores fast. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, freelancers, marketers, and anyone needing fast, professional websites on a budget. With CloneBuddy AI, you'll save time, money, and stress. Manage multiple websites easily, customize with AI, and watch your business grow. For complex custom coding, you might need a bit more. But for 95% of your website needs, CloneBuddy AI's got you covered. Ready to revolutionize your website creation process? Click the link below to try CloneBuddy AI today. CloneBuddy AI, where simplicity meets power. Why build when you can clone?